or SLM, is a division of the industry-leading DCD Engineering Group of companies, which operate in the mining and energy, defense, rail and marine sectors. The DCD Group has made the self-leveling technology available and accessible throughout Africa, thereby offering clients an effective solution to on-site machining requirements. The equipment is easily transported by sea, road or air from SLM's Cape Town and Mpumalanga facilities. DCD Group's global experience within its industries of operation allows it to assimilate site safety requirements quickly and effectively, thus enabling the SLM division's team of specialist technicians to deploy and implement the technology within a day of arrival on site. The self-leveling machine technology is an established and well-accepted method of producing accurate machine finishes on very large components, often undertaken within very difficult on-site conditions. A circular self-leveling machine consists of a center element around which the machine rotates. An arrangement of distance beams that match the diameter and contour of the product being machined is added to the machine. Finally, a milling head at the required size is assembled. Precision lasers control the cutting heads of the milling box, which confines the cut to a predetermined level plane. In this way, the self-leveling machine can generate a machined surface with the same accuracy as a workshop-based rigid floor borer, but with the ability to cut a diameter of up to 45 meters. Self-leveling machines can be used for both circular and rectangular machining in horizontal, vertical and overhead positions. These machines are ideally suited to the site machining of large circular structures typically found in mining, process plant, materials handling, marine and power generation industries. By using the precision laser guidance equipment, accurate dimensional surveys can be undertaken before, during and after machining, resulting in the assured quality of the work being undertaken. All machining is carried out in accordance with client specifications and DCD's own ISO 9001 accredited quality management system. XY coordinate milling machines can be utilized to generate rectangular surfaces, ideal for foundation pads and for mounting surfaces for large motors or gearboxes. SLM's capabilities cater for a broad spectrum of requirements, from the machining of an immense walking dragline machine in the coalfields of South Africa to a catenary-anchored loading buoy at a dockside location on the west coast of Africa, or an underground hydroelectric turbine house. SLM strives to deliver quick, accurate, cost-effective and safe solutions to all on-site machining requirements on the African continent.